Hello and welcome to 180 Day 65. Can you believe there's only 2 weeks left in your 180? So you're going to start thinking about, what am I going to do next? So we need to start talking about that, because we've already talked about if we don't prepare, we prepare to fail when it comes to our foods. And so when it comes to our lifestyle, it's going to be the same thing. We are going to teach you to prepare so that you are ready. So there's some options. I love options. I hope you love options, because there's lots of options for you in moving forward. And so there are more options than the 4 that I have up on this whiteboard right here. But I believe that these are going to fit most everyone. And so I am going to get into more detail on each one of these individually in the coming days. But I do want to share very briefly what they are. Evolve is a 6-week program that is designed very similar to your 180, but we have 2 versions. We have a weight loss version of Evolve, and we have a toning and sculpting version of Evolve that's for those of you that have reached your weight loss goal and want to work on shaping your body, but not necessarily losing any more weight. So Evolve still has a great meal plan that's very comprehensive. It has an Advocare regimen that starts to talk about what to do pre-workout and post-workout and how to fuel your body around your workouts. It has a full workout log, very similar to the 180, but also very different. Crave Check. Crave Check is a program that's 8 weeks long that has an Advocare regimen and a meal plan that is very complete. No more grocery list and choosing from the different columns. It tells you exactly what to eat for the whole week, and you prep one time and it's all done. It makes things even simpler for those of you who don't want to be thinking as much as you've been thinking on the 180 to create your menu and create your meals. But if you like to create your own meals, this might not be the right one for you. But this is excellent as it starts to increase the amount of carbohydrates you're having during the day, which is okay now because we have really strengthened your metabolism. And so this is a great program. It is still focused on weight loss. And if we up you a portion size on it, it can actually be a maintenance meal plan as well. BYOMP, build your own meal plan. Build your own meal plan. This has a lot of freedom, much more freedom than the other 2, and is excellent for maintenance as you're moving into understanding how many times a day do I need protein, how many times a day do I need carbs and fats, how does that go around my workouts, and my Advocare regimen that I have learned to love and personalize just for me. And so this is a whole training in itself as well, teaching you that. And then we also have a maintenance packet. I love the maintenance packet because it takes each and every component of a healthy lifestyle and breaks it down for you to pick and choose the ones that are most important to you and why. And so you'll find this on our website, Evolve Life by Design, as well. So we're going to get more into these and break them down. No matter what program that you choose moving forward, you still need the foundational core of nutrition that we have in every single program, and we also have that when someone's not on a program. I take more nutritional support, more Advocare when I am not being good or not being perfect, when I'm not on a plan, when I'm on vacation, when it's the holidays, when I'm not spot on. I take more Advocare. Whereas if you flip that around, most people go, oh, I don't want to start until everything is perfect because I don't want to waste it. That is the wrong mindset to have. I take more nutritional support when I'm not being as good, and I actually take less nutritional support the better I'm being. But what I never stop taking, never ever, is my core foundational nutrition. My high potency multivitamin, multimineral, my omega-3s, my probiotics. Never do I stop those things, no matter what I'm doing. And so there's a video that I love about the 2 questions I always get from people. Well, if I eat a healthy diet, Why do I need nutritional supplements? Or don't I get all the nutrients that I need from our food? It is getting increasingly difficult in Western societies to get everything that we need from our food, and it's a proven fact. It's not a fad, it's not a trend, it's something that is proven. And so there's a video that we've posted down below this video. I couldn't attach it on here, but there's a video from one of my very good friends, Dr. Mark Miller, who explains in more detail why this is so important. So take a look at that video too, and make sure you're looking at the coming days so we can break these down and you can choose which one's best for you. I'll see you tomorrow.